Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about what happened with me in last Friday. Sorry, video from the Friday deleted because YouTube moderator need to remove something from the video. That's why I will explain you what happened in the Walking Street Friday 8:20 p.m. So I start to talk in the video after live stream. I finish live stream 8 p.m. and I start talking like greetings for say hi everyone. And I hold camera in my hand. I hold camera and from the side someone grab my camera. I not seen him. Grab my camera and hold camera in his hand. I try to remove camera from his hand, but he strong hold camera. He removed from the camera holder, broken holder, and that's why camera already in his hand. And this time when I try to take camera, another guy hit me to my face, to hit me here. Not strong, little bit only. That's why I not feel. But guy who grabbed camera, I said, give me camera many times. And he hold camera, he don't know what he need to do. He want to return camera or not return, I don't know, because he don't want return, but he not broke camera. But he go to back from me and go inside the Kokomas restaurant where sit security and try to push camera down, but not. He put camera only inside the Kokomas restaurant in the table. In the chair, near table, in security. Everyone seen what happened. Everyone, barangays, ACTA, security from the bar in front of Masquerade, another bar. They see what happened, and also wholesale Viagra. You can watch later in the video what happened later, because when I return my camera, I immediately try to find these guys, because it's important for me in this time, important to return my camera, because camera expensive, it's already second camera. And I follow to, and I ask people, where these two guys? They said, they go to the Viking bar. Okay, and I also follow into Viking bar together with ACTA. ACTA not, this time ACTA not help me. They just only, they go with me and say, you need to go to police station. We will wait in front of the Viking. We will wait with guys and send him to the police station. I said, okay, I will go to police station and report. And they stay in the Viking. In the police station I already open file case, and we go to with two police officers going to Walking Street to go into the Viking bar, and near Viking bar, and asking about ACTA. ACTA said, they already leave, they not here in Walking Street, they take Grab or tricycle, I don't know, they take and they leave. They not stop. So what can I do? I don't have any video. I don't know how they look, because I know one guy with a black t-shirt, big guy, about 190 centimeters, more bigger than me, sports guy, strong, and another is little bit smaller, maybe 173 centimeters, about. So I need only check CCTV camera. We go into the barangay, Balibago. In barangay Balibago, they check CCTV camera in Walking Street. In Walking Street, CCTV camera not working. All CCTV camera in Walking Street offline. We say, sorry, camera offline, what we can do? I said, okay, with camera offline. And later, already, I again come back to the Kokamas restaurant asking about Kokamas. They said, sorry, we cannot give to you CCTV footage right now. I said, okay, I don't know why. But later already I talked with manager. Manager said, we can give to you only Monday from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. because at this time, with who need to show CCTV, he come back. So he working time because weekend he not working. And as you already know, a new video, I already watch video from footage from CCTV camera, and I already good to clearly see face of aggressor who grab camera. In this video from the Kokamas restaurant, I already, it's very close his face to the camera, very close, and also have video how he grab camera also in his hand and how I return camera. Everything have in the video. Police already investigate this and they already working and find this guy. And already Acta already know. That's why if he come back to the Walking Street, it's already everyone already know his face already. So you continue watch what happened right now. What happened in the video? I show to you right now all video except I just only blur some faces because some faces I know it's don't like be in the video. They not say to me, but I know. Girl from the bar, she don't want, she very close. That's why I will blur faces. Thank you for watching in advance, and I hope next time who want to do same action in Walking Street, we will understand and police can catch. And also Acta already will help to you, and police also will help. Thank you for watching in advance. Hi everyone.
Fuck off with that.
Listen.
Fuck off with that.
Yes, we need to take to police station now. He take camera, broke camera and bite me. He hit me to face now.
He's American also. Or
American, to American. Can yeah,
Sir,
have video because
may mga, siyempre, ano lang tawag sa cellphone. Oh, saan yung cellphone niyo? Hindi, nasa kanya siya kasi natutunan.
yes, need to. Yes, he take camera, hit me to need to go to police station.
Oh, you can go to police station.
Yes, but I need to go with these guys to police station. You help me.
Sir,
Oh, come on.
huwag mo na lang ano kasi pinili niya kasi yung dito. Ayaw naman niya. Sinabihan na namin, nag-usapan namin lang huwag sana.
Need to send to police station for these guys who go inside.
Who's that guy?
You seen this one? In the video have. Can you recognize?
Yeah.
Yes, we need to take to police station. He will pay for camera and for investigate this one.
Ginanong pa ito.
Yes, he hit me. Because I will report to police, of course. What is your name? You already work here a long time, I know.
Yeah.
Can you go to police station also like witness?
Yeah, where's the guy?
Need to find inside.
Okay, you want to go to the police station?
Yes, of course.
No, I will complain right now.
Yes, but need to these guys take.
Yeah, they stay. Come with me to
I report now. Okay, can you take this to?
Yeah.
But can you show to which guy? Because in the video have.
Oh, yeah.
Can you help to ACTA to bring him to police station?
Don't
Can-
worry, we can provide them. Okay.
So they now go to the bar.
Begging. Go to police station
Yeah.
and...
Okay.
And the guy is here.
Yes, please bring him to
No, we watch him. We watch them. We watch them.
watch.
Yeah.
Okay, I go to
You need to
police.
report the police
Yes,
station.
I go to report to police station.
Yes.
And they,
Damage of your camera.
yes,
They gonna pay. They gonna pay.
yeah, they go to jail.
Yeah.
And you see how he
we-
hit me.
Yeah. We see.
Yeah. If they move from there, you can just call to ACTA.
As we see
Yeah.
the way they treat you.
Okay. So I go to police.
You go to ACTA. Then you go.
Yeah, I go to police station.
Yeah, station.
Yeah. Okay. But
You watch
just
the foreigner.
yeah, just only need bring foreigner to police station.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So this guy hold my camera, hit me, and broke camera to. Camera still working, but I don't know, sensor maybe not good. That's why I need to go to police station and report to these two guys. These two guys together, they report. ACTA will also confirm. are now in police station already near and report to these two guys. Akta will catch him from Viking bar. Way faster run away to Viking bar. We're going to Walking Street now in police car because we need to find these two guys who hit me and grab camera. Now we go to with police and need to find these two guys who hit me. And we go to in Walking Street right now. Need to check CCTV camera also. We're going to with police and need to recognize these two guys. And maybe check CCTV also. Here. I just walk 2 meters only, 3 meters here, and start video, hold my camera myself. And we now in Barangay, we want to check CCTV camera. So this is in Barangay, take a look. Oh, so many people. How to go, even police don't know how to go inside. So many music here. Take a look in Barangay. Okay, I will switch off camera. Look, CCTV offline, that's why we cannot see.